Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and make some serious money online, today's video is for you. We've been doing some serious research lately, and we've analyzed over 100 side hustlers who've turned their small ideas into massive success stories in the digital economy. And guess what we found? The ultimate low-cost startups that you can launch today and start making big profits. So if you're ready to finally take action and start your own side hustle, stay tuned because we've got some game-changing secrets to share. First up, digital products and online courses. These hustlers have mastered the art of creating valuable content, and you can too. The beauty of digital products is that they require little to no overhead. Once you create a course or digital resource, you can sell it over and over again with minimal costs. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What skills do you have that others would pay to learn? Maybe you're a whiz at photography, graphic design, or coding, or maybe you're a natural teacher with a knack for explaining complex topics in a way that's easy to understand. Whatever your skills, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. And the best part is, you don't need a fancy studio or expensive equipment to get started. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and the drive to create something awesome. Let me give you some real-world examples. I've seen people create wildly successful online courses teaching everything from how to invest in real estate to how to bake the perfect sourdough bread. And these aren't just random people, they're everyday individuals who turn their passions into profitable online businesses. Take Sarah, for example. She was a stay-at-home mom with a passion for photography. She started by sharing her photos on Instagram and quickly gained a following. Then, she had a thought. What if she could teach others how to take amazing photos too? She created an online course, marketed it to her followers, and bam! She made over $10,000 in her first month. And the best part? She could sell that same course over and over again, creating a passive income stream that allowed her to quit her 9-to-5 and spend more time with her family. That's the power of digital products. You're not just selling a product, you're selling your knowledge, your expertise, and your unique perspective. And in today's digital age, that's more valuable than ever before. Next up, affiliate marketing. This one is a game changer, especially if you're just starting out. You don't have to create your own products, you simply promote products that are already selling, and you earn commissions when someone buys through your link. It's like being a digital salesperson, but without the pressure of cold calling or door-to-door sales. You choose products you believe in, products that align with your interests and your audience, and you share them with the world. Think about it, you're already recommending products and services to your friends and family, right? Maybe it's a new restaurant you tried, a book you loved, or a gadget that changed your life. Affiliate marketing is simply taking those recommendations online and earning money for your efforts. The key to success with affiliate marketing is to be authentic and genuine. Don't just promote any product that comes your way. Choose products you actually use and believe in, products that you would recommend even if you weren't getting paid for it. For example, let's say you're passionate about fitness and you have a blog or social media following centered around healthy living. You could become an affiliate for fitness apparel brands, supplement companies, or even online fitness programs. Every time someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. And the best part is, you don't have to handle any of the customer service, shipping, or logistics. All of that is taken care of by the company you're partnering with. I've seen people build six-figure businesses through affiliate marketing, and many of them started with just a laptop and a dream. So don't underestimate the power of this low-cost, high-reward side hustle. Chapter 3. Print on demand. Design, sell, and profit. No inventory needed. Coming in at number 3, print on demand. This low-cost business model allows you to sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without worrying about inventory or shipping. Think about it. How many times have you seen a funny t-shirt or a cool mug and thought, I wish I could design something like that? Well, guess what? You can. With print-on-demand platforms, you can bring your creative ideas to life and sell them to a global audience. Here's how it works. You create a design, upload it to a print-on-demand platform, and they handle the rest. They print your design on a product only when someone orders it, package it up, and ship it directly to your customer. You don't have to worry about buying bulk inventory, managing stock, or dealing with shipping logistics. It's a truly hands-off business model that allows you to focus on what you do best, creating awesome designs. And the best part is, there are endless possibilities when it comes to print on demand. You can design t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, wall art, and so much more. You can even create designs for specific niches like pet lovers, gamers, or fitness enthusiasts. The key to success with print on demand is to create unique, eye-catching designs that resonate with your target audience. Think about what people are passionate about, what makes them laugh, or what they would be proud to wear or display in their homes. For example, let's say you're a dog lover. You could create a series of t-shirts with funny dog quotes, adorable dog illustrations, or even custom portraits of people's furry friends. With a little creativity and the right marketing, you can turn your passion for design into a profitable print-on-demand empire. We've just scratched the surface of what's possible in the digital economy, and there are so many opportunities waiting for you. Low-cost startups are an excellent way to get started, and we've seen how they can turn side hustles into life-changing businesses. So, which one of these low-cost startups will you be starting? Drop a comment below, and let us know which side hustle excites you the most. And if you're ready to take the leap into the digital economy, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips, strategies, and success stories. Remember, the only thing holding you back is you. So take action, start building your dream, and I'll see you at the top.